Alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Husna Rashid Bane and I am the student of 9th standard at Jamia Ziaul High School, Punch. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic, Don't be sad, remember Allah in your tough times. Allah always has a solution for every problem, a light for every shadow, a relief for every sorrow, and a plan for every tomorrow. Life is temporary, days do not last, it will not be the same. After nightfall comes day, and after day comes night. Remember, that's the plan of Allah. A lot of us are sad because of something temporary. You lost wealth, everybody lost wealth. Nobody sitting here has not suffered a loss. Everybody has. They have dealt with differently. They have suffered at different levels. Allah tests you according to your level. In one narration, the hadith says, Allah tests you according to how much He loves you. When He loves you more, He tests you more. It's because when we have a problem and an issue, it is human nature that when we have a problem, we start looking for a solution. And a believer will look for solution by getting close to Allah. So when Allah wants you to become every close to Him, He gives you a bigger problem because He knows if you did not have this one major issue in your life, perhaps you would not even be bothered about reading Salah. You would not even be bothered about calling Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when Allah says, think about those who have less, so you can appreciate what you do have. When you want to be sad, then you look for sadness. Even when there is happiness glowing in your face, you need to know this. Why then do we say, I am sad? So the whole world will be sad. Who is going to thank Allah? There are no sad endings for those who trust for Allah. Always be thanks to Allah in every good and bad times. Thanks a lot for your attention. Have a wonderful day.